I will tell you about tux paint, how to start a tux paint, and creating a new drawing in different paint tools. Fill tool, erase the drawing, and then working with shapes, saving the drawing, and closing the tux paint and opening the drawing. So let's start with the chapter, what is tux paint? So tux paint is a paint program. What it is? It is a paint program designed for children. It has many ready-made tools that help you to make beautiful drawing. So how to start a tux paint? So for that you have to click on start button, then all apps, and then you have to click on tux paint. Then click on the tux paint full screen, right? So the title screen appears. Then after some time the title screen goes away and you will get the main screen. Like this main screen will appear. So what we call it? These are the different tools. So we call it toolbar. This is the drawing area, right? This is selector. This is color platelet. And downward is your help area, right? So the main screen of the tux paint, let's study about the following parts. First is toolbar. So it is on the left side of the tux paint window. It has various tools like paint, stem, lines, shapes to draw and add the picture. In this you can draw also, you can edit different pictures. Then we have selector, which is on the right side, as I have shown you, right? Through this what we select tools from the toolbar. Various options of the tool appear in the selector area. Then let's study about the drawing canvas. It is the area where we draw a picture. Where you will draw a picture? In a drawing canvas. Next is help area. This is the area, right? This is the area. This area is below the color platelet. It shows helpful tips and other information while working. Then we have color platelet. It is the button of the tux paint window. We can pick up a color of your choice from here. Whatever color you want to choose, you can choose. Now creating a new drawing. Now you want to create a new drawing. For that, what you will do, you will click on new button. Click on drop down arrow button. Select the drawing, right? And double click on it. Whatever drawing you will select from here, it will be shown over here. Now paint tool. Now you can paint with different tool. Paint, what it is used for? It is used to paint and draw anything that you like. Whatever you like, the thing you like, you can draw over here. Then click on the paint tool. A list of many brushes will appear in the selector, right? You can select it and you can use any brush. The pointer shape changes to the paintbrush and press the left mouse button and drag. The pattern will be drawn and now you can release the mouse button. Then we have fill color. So let's use the fill color, how you can fill it. So first of all, you will go to fill color tool, then drop down arrow tool, fill effect from the selector. Select any color from the color set. You will click on the drawing to fill color in it, right? Then we have erased the drawing. Now if you have done any mistake and you want to erase it, you can erase it also. So that the eraser tool is used to erase any part. Like click on the eraser tool, press and hold down the left mouse button and start moving the cursor, right? Then working with shapes. We can draw many filled and unfilled shapes using the shape tool by the following the given steps. Like select the shape tool, select the shapes tool from the toolbar. Then many options of the shapes will appear in the selector area. Click a shape and then on the drawing canvas, the shape will appear in the drawing canvas. Now press the mouse button and you can draw the shape. Now let's see how to save the drawing. In order to save the drawing, simply click on the save option. And after that, after clicking, then if you want to close it, how you will close it? So click on the quit tool. A window will appear. You will click on yes button if you want to close. Then click again on yes button if you want to save the file. So what you will do? You will click on yes button. Then opening the drawing. Now you want to open the drawing. So for that you click on the open tool. Select the drawing that you want to open. Right? Then afterwards what you will do? And you can open a file that you have saved in your window. Right? Now let me show you how you will open a tux paint. We will go to start menu. Then you can write over here This is touch paint window. Like this, your touch paint screen will open. Now, you can take any drawing like this. You want to take brushes, here is a tool called, you can also use shapes from here. Whatever shape you want to take, like you want rectangle. You want octagon, like this. Like this, you can take eclipse. Now you want to draw a circle. You can also draw a circle using it. Right? Now, let's use the magic tool also. Let me first use stamp. So for stamp, what you can do? You can take any stamp and you can paste it like this. Right? Next is, if you want to erase, let's first use fill color. So like this, you can fill color in your drawings. Next is eraser. If you want to, like this, by using eraser tool, you can erase the drawings. Right? Next is, I have told you about how to save the drawing. So I will tell you about, you will go to the option, save option. Like this, your file will be saved. Now if you want to quit, you will click on quit. Yes, I am done. So like this, your touch paint window will be closed. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now let's meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.